Guys, I decided to add Apple CarPlay capability to my 720S 2019 Spider. It had carbon fiber trim even here, B pillar and the rear. So I had to do some research, but basically you will have these two first, which needs to be removed. One is here, one is over there. It goes upside down. So there is like a plastic spring cap at the bottom, which one of them I broke, but that shouldn't be a big problem. And as you can see on this side, there's a spring. So basically you insert the screwdriver in this hole, try to lift it up because this is located like this over there. It's fitting like that. So you will insert, sorry, with one hand it's hard, but you insert the screwdriver in there and try to lift it, and that will disengage the locking mechanism there. You pull it out. Then next step would be to pull this up. So this, intuitively we'll try to pull it like that, but no, it actually goes up. So you put your fingers here, try to push it up, and then you could try to hold it on the top and pull it up. And when it comes out, there is a camera cable you have to disconnect. And as you can see, the tabs, they are pointing downwards and there is few of them. So 4 at the bottom with the 2 has a spring clip, and then 2 at the top. So total 6 tabs are there and they slide into it like that. So once you have this out, you're going to remove the B panels on both sides. The manual says to remove the trim, but I couldn't figure it out and I don't think you need to remove. You disconnect this emergency release cable for the door, and then you're going to pull this out. Basically it has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 tabs and one just a clip like insert. And it's sitting like this. So as you can see, first you're going to try to disengage the bottom 2 and then the top 3. So the way to do that is you stick there is a curve here, right? So you stick your finger here and try, sorry, I can't see. There's a curve like this in the B panel. So you stick your finger there and pull it forward. So it will disengage the bottom 2. One goes in. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out where does it go, but regardless, you just pull it out like that and then disengage this. So there's one tab here, one here, 3, 4, and I think this is the 5th one. So you pull it out and then this comes out. Same thing on the other side. Once you have that out, you will have this here. So for this, there is a net. You have to take the net out. Then there are this kind of tabs, anchors. It has screw in there, which Ellen had, and that was 8 by 32. So you remove 4 of those, and then you have this in here, and there is 2 screws there. As you can see, there's 2 screws here, the 2 on other side, and those are Torx, and that one was, Torx are T20. So you have 4 of those, 2 on each side, along with this plastic piece. Once that comes out, you are able to now lift this and put it out. After that, you have this. That needs to come out. So there are 4, 8, total 10 screws. Out of that, 4 are size 8, rest are size 7. So those 4, you just have to remember they are on the top. 4 here. Then periphery like this, that corner at the bottom like there, these two, there, those are all 7. So in the center, like you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those